Hey, just up here, up here. Don't ring the doorbell. I just put my baby down for a nap. Toss the package up here. I'll catch it. I have 3 sons. Come on.
Nice.
Can't wait any longer. Let me see.
Finished. All yours.
Thanks, Mom. I can't believe you made this all by yourself.
She's just putting on her costume that I sewed with my hands, and I'm pretty proud of it.
Mom! This is amazing. Look, I'm a kitten with a whip. Meow.
This is just in case she's attacked by dogs.
You're proud of this?